Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm about to go install my new tailpipe. Well, actually, I'm gonna go do a muffler delete. So I'll show you guys what they're doing when they're doing it. You know? Yeah, yesterday I put on my spoiler. I'm gonna go do the muffler delete. I tried to get it done yesterday. They were closing, so we get out here early. They open at 8. I'm gonna be there at 8. See if I can get this done. Alright, see y'all when I get there. Alright, so I'm here at the muffler shop. I'm about to get this muffler deleted. So that's what my muffler looks like right now. I'm about to I guess I'll keep that shit.
Huh?
I'll keep that just in case it's too loud and I want to put it back. Sure, it won't be too loud though.
That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, it should sound good. I have a Z3, you know, the BMW Z3. I did the same thing to that. I delete the back muffler. It sounds good.
Off-road's like take about right there.
Yeah, right there is good. Perfect.
This ain't staggered like the other one, so I don't want to put out too far.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah, he did tell me to try to find one that's staggered, but that's the only one I found right there. So that's cool.
It'll exist.
Yeah.
Do you want it clamped or is it okay if we weld it?
I want it welded.
Yeah, me too.
Kind of looks pretty clean underneath.
Yeah.
So I'm at American Muffler Shop. This is Lauderdale Lake, right? This is still Lauderdale Lake, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. American Muffler in Lauderdale Lake. can't wait to hear what it sounds like. If it sounds anything like the Z3, I'm gonna be quite happy with it. So yeah, I'll let y'all hear it sound as soon as they're done. I'm the first client for the day, 8 o'clock in the morning. See that? 8 o'clock. They open at 8, I'm here at 8.
I woke up. My head was pounding.
You had a dream about last night, man? Was that good? It was that good?
Well, I know it was good. And I heard that alarm. I was like, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta get that money.
Gotta make that money. That's how we live.
Yeah.
Like I have a full day of work scheduled today. That's why I'm here at 8. He told me he opens at 8. I'm like, so I have my next client at 10, 12, 2, 4, and 6. I own a driving school.
What is it?
ACC driving school.
Oh,
driving school. Yes. And I have the YouTube. I have 3 YouTube channels. So it's a YouTube channel for cars, one for the school, and one for my sound system. Yeah, this channel is called Exotic
You
Car
let him drive
Purchase.
this or no?
Nah, hell no.
I was about to sign up. Then. Let me whip the Beamer, man. Maybe been that just a little bit more than 5 feet from me less. And right there, we'll fuck that end up. Yeah. Actually, yeah, that's the first thing, brother. Yeah.
So yeah, this is my second time coming to this location. The tips that I have on that.
Car that I'd be bringing on the track.
Yeah?
It's like a drift car, yeah, man.
You drift?
The old Toyota Corolla.
You was at Fuel Fest the other day in Palm Beach?
No, I was gonna go, but I was putting my rear end together because I broke an axle.
Yeah.
And then I bought all the stuff, and I was like rushing it because my friend wanted to go, and then last minute he was like, "Oh, I can't go."
I was there. It's on my channel, Exotic Car Culture.
I went there last. I think it was 2 years ago.
Yeah, that thing was crazy.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people.
Yeah, bro. I freaking. Yeah, my boy bailed out on me like last minute. He was like, "Yo, my license is suspended."
Shit, I almost went to Dallas, Texas. There, they had the last Fuel Fest was there like maybe a month ago. I wanted to go.
They started doing it down here. Like,
I know.
Was it 2 years ago or something?
Yeah.
That was crazy, man. They go all over the freaking world.
All over, yeah. There's like Beamer Invasion. I went to Orlando to Beamer Invasion. That's why check out the channel, man. Exotic Car Culture.
I'll give you my Instagram. I'll follow you.
Yeah.
But my other buddy Isaac, who I go to church with, he works at BMW for Lauderdale. They had like a full car show, man. They had like all E30 M3s there. Like this is so sick, man.
Yeah.
Like old BMWs, man. I love that, man.
I love Beamer.
Them old M3s, bro. I seen this one. It was orange, bro. It was so nice, bro.
Let me show you my other.
Alright, cool.
My other machine, man.
Alright, go ahead and do the front then. This should be good right there.
There it is?
Yeah. Alright, go ahead and weld that. Yeah. Hey Steve, can you go find me like a straight long piece of rod to get out of the hanger?
Man, the expert welder.
Yeah,
Want to see me with
That thing looks neat.
straight piece of rod, you know, like things, you know. Yeah. Oh, I don't know, matter like 4 or 5 inches or less, you know.
Yeah, you see some guys welding, they tap, 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 tap. He just do like a straight line. That's nice.
Yeah, that's the hanger. We'll hold the hanger, then we'll put this on like a wristband now. There's only one bracket on it. Said what now? No, I was talking about the bracket. Did you get all the way around? Yeah. Distance was about right there. Right, sir?
Yeah, that looks good.
That's what I'm thinking too.
That looks good to me.
Right there.
Good?
Yeah. It's like a more so, I don't trust this thing in that mode. You want to weld that, then we'll do the hanger, or you want to do the hanger now?
Yeah, let me hold that first.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause I gotta flick it up to stick.
I see the difference.
Compared to all the thick steel we had in the front, it was beautiful, like,
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, it's so thin, I'm trying not to burn it. Hey Jake, let me know when you want to do the hanger.
Okay, ready? Let me get up here. Yeah, you put it on top of the bottom, and then just I want to put this wishbone on there too. All right, right there's good. Put that on there somewhere. I might add another hanger right here. Yeah. Also, you gotta get the top of this tip. If you can't see it, I'll get it.
Hey, Aaron, what's up? What time? No, I was there till like 12 o'clock, so they didn't lock it off, because I was there. No, they didn't lock it off. I was there till after like 12:30. I left and came back. No, they didn't knock it off. Yeah, no, it was alright. It was cool. All right, next week, Friday. All right, cool.
Yeah. Got it? Oh, good. Yeah, right over here.
This is the other car I was talking about, boss. Hold on. I just had it right there.
Oh, that's fire. What is that called? Like the Z something?
The Z3.
Yeah, it'll just say.
It was nice. See that, Boss?
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
I did the delete on that one too. I think it sounds nice.
Oh, it was 328 or something?
Well, there's a Z3. There's 2.8. The motor is a 2.8. It's a 2000 2.8.
Anyone get in there, Steve?
Oh, that's up the top.
Oh yeah, go home, baby. That's good. It's just a stabilizer. Let me get up here again. Right there. Wait. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, the hanger sits all the way over here, so
Yeah.
you know it can't really reach all the way over there, so it makes it
Yeah.
work. But that's nice and stiff.
Yeah, that's cool.
Love it.
Can't wait to hear it.
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, just get some of the weld, spray 'em. Perfect size.
Yeah, I love it.
The whole tour for all.
I love this one.
Yeah, backpack.
Yep. Do you drift all the time, or?
Yeah, it's like a It's like a drift car.
Sweet. My first drifting event was at Fuel Fest.
Yeah. I went there and my car wasn't doing too well there. My steering was all weird.
Yeah.
Like I have a short ring.
I realized they have mostly BMW E36s there. There's a lot of E36s.
A lot of 350Zs.
Yeah, the 350Zs and the E36s.
I like Zs. They like rip, but they're just overplayed.
Yeah, I like the BMW better.
They just sound like crap. I used to have a 328.
Yeah.
You know, with the ZF trams and all that.
Yeah.
And then I sold it because I don't know.
I love the Beamers, man.
I wasn't too much into Beamers. I like 240s. 240s.
Beamers is real fat, dude.
Yeah, you ain't lying though. I got it for 72. I had a hydraulic handbrake.
Yeah.
Dude, I got it for $900. 328.
Yeah? Damn.
Yeah, I should have never sold that.
You want this in your trunk?
Huh?
You want this in your trunk?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
The key is... Yeah.
what I did. I traded it for another Corolla like mine, but it was like beat up.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I was trying to make money, so I ended up selling that for like double the price. I made like $3 grand.
Can't go wrong if
That's
you make
the only reason
money.
I sold it, because I made like $3 grand off of it. But,
You're good if you make money, boss.
yeah. If I didn't make that, I would have kept it and just ripped it on the track.
Yeah. Yeah. First start. Not too loud, that's perfect. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, that is perfect.
That thing sounds perfect, for real. Love it. Alright, so you guys know when you want to get that done, you want to do that muffler delete, check these guys out at American Mufflers in Lauderdale Lakes. Let me show you their number. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome, bro.
So that's American Muffler. So the number 954-739-1734. Lauderdale Lakes. Cool. All right, buddy. Thank you.